What's helped you kind of get comfortable in the manufacturing space?
That's a great question. So I really wanted to work from the ground up, but Dad was afraid that if he put me into the factory, I would get in the way of what they were doing out there. So he really wasn't comfortable with that idea. So what I started to do is work overtime. So after the workday, if there was a lot of work in the factory, I would stay after hours and then ask the employees there to give me something to do. So I learned how to stuff a board. I learned how to take the components and identify what they were and put them in the right locations, and other things.
Is that what stuffing a board is?
That's what stuffing a board is.
There you
And the board that I have here on the table, the board in the front is a through-hole board, and that's when you physically pick up the parts and stuff them in the board. And then the one in the back is a surface mount board, and the machine builds that type of board.
Got it.
But whether I was stuffing components or inspecting a board, just being out in the factory and listening to what other people were saying, I really picked up a lot. Also, I got involved in the Surface Mount Technology Association. So I served on the board there. I was the treasurer, the secretary, vice president, president throughout the years.
The Surface Mount Technology Association.
Yes, the SMTA.
Look at that. They got a group for everything. That's
yes,
really cool.
They do.
Yeah.
So through business meetings and some of the educational opportunities they had there, I picked up even more. And then locally, I joined the Smaller Manufacturers Association, or the SMA. And through the SMA, I had the opportunity to learn more business-oriented concepts, things about marketing, IT, lean, whatever the subject matter was at the monthly meeting, I would absorb the things that were being taught.